How to delete ChatGPT history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete the ChatGPT history. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, then you simply have to click on the search bar and simply search for ChatGPT. And now here on the search result, simply select ChatGPT. And now here you simply have to log in using the account. And once logged in, here you simply have to click on the profile icon, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you simply have to select settings. And once you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu on the left hand side, you simply have to click on data controls. And now here under the data controls, there you can see the option labeled as delete all chats. So here you simply have to click on delete all and confirm it by clicking on confirm deletion. And once you do that, it will delete all the history in ChatGPT. And that's it. That's how you can delete ChatGPT history. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.